If you don't have Epsom salt in your home, it's something you should get. Not only is it inexpensive, but it's an amazing natural healer that most people overlook. I bet you that within my clinic, I recommend for people between 10 and 15 times a week to take an Epsom salt soak in order to help them feel better. So let's go ahead and dive in and talk about all the benefits you can get from Epsom salt. Before we get started, I'm Dr. Nick Zyrowski, and let's look at what Epsom salt is. Epsom salt is a natural compound found in nature, and it contains magnesium and sulfate. Now, if we back up for a minute, what do we know about magnesium? Magnesium is the great stress reliever, whether it's stress in your brain, stress in your digestive system, your nervous system, your musculoskeletal system. It helps relieve stress. It's good for your cardiovascular system and so much more. And when we look at sulfate, it's good for your digestion, it's a great detoxifier, it's good for your joint health, and more. So we're taking two different compounds here that are very, very beneficial to your overall health. And then we'd, of course, fill up a bath and we would soak in them to get the benefits like this one right here, muscle and joint health. Whenever we look at doing an Epsom salt soak, one of the things that you're going to get from this is it's going to help relieve muscle cramps, muscle tension, joint aches, inflammation, and pain, okay? If you really sum up the general population of people, we're suffering from this, including myself. So we want to always use Epsom salt soaks in order to get this type of relief here. Did you know that the food that your body burns for energy will be the predetermining factor in whether or not you have poor metabolic health? If you're always burning carbs for energy instead of fat, over time, this leads to insulin resistance. But how would you know what your body is using as a fuel source? Well, I have the answer for you. Over the last few months, I've been using a tool called Lumen. This at-home tracking device allows me to tell in real time whether I'm burning fat or carbs for energy simply by breathing into it. Using Lumen, I'm able to track how my diet or exercise affect how my metabolism is functioning. I personally like using Lumen to monitor when my body switches to using fat for energy when I'm intermittent fasting. I love using Lumen to see how metabolically flexible I am, and I think you will too. Lumen is truly the gold standard metabolic tracker and is actually validated by research, which is why I recommend it to my patients or anyone looking to measurably improve their health. So if you want to take the next step in improving your health, go to lumen.me/DRZ15 to get 15% off your very own Lumen. That's lumen.me/DRZ15 to save 15% off your purchase. Thank you, Lumen, for sponsoring this video. Now, let's move on to stress, because before when I mentioned magnesium, I told you it will help relax you. Now, how can we get stress relief from soaking in Epsom salt? Well, simply what happens is it actually promotes serotonin, which is going to be a neurotransmitter that helps relax you. It helps you feel whole and complete. And it also is going to decrease adrenaline, which is going to be associated with stress. And so therefore we can utilize this Epsom salt soak in order to help just give us a sense of stress relief every day. Now we can look at your skin health, because this is actually really interesting. Doing an Epsom salt soak is great for your skin because it'll help soften your skin. It'll also help with eczema. It'll help with psoriasis. So if you have some sort of rash that you're trying to overcome, it's supportive of helping you heal that rash. Now, another thing that you can do with Epsom salt is you can take it and you can mix it with coconut oil and olive oil, and you could put some essential oils like lavender or lemon in that, and then you can use it as an exfoliator. So you could scrub your skin with it, and it helps turn over dead skin cells so that you create good, healthy skin cells. So many people spend a lot of money on skin exfoliants. This is a very inexpensive way to do this. Now let's talk about your sleep, because who isn't looking for better sleep? You know, sleep is one of those pillars to good health, and as we age, it becomes more and more difficult to get good quality of sleep. One of the ways that you can get more deep sleep and relax at night is by using an Epsom salt soak before you go to bed. So give this a try if you're somebody who is struggling with good quality sleep. Now let's talk about your feet. I know you don't want to talk about your feet, but the fact is that they stink, okay? You know, if you're somebody who has a lot of foot odor, doing an Epsom salt soak is really going to help with that issue. The other ways that you can use Epsom salt in order to help your feet is if you have cracked heels, if you have ingrown toenails, or even if you have some sort of nail or toe fungus that you're dealing with, okay? Putting your feet in a pot of warm water with Epsom salt in it, or just doing a bath with Epsom salt, is really going to help improve your overall feet health. So now let's look at how you can actually use Epsom salt and take it orally in order to help your health. If you're somebody who's struggling all the time with constipation, drinking Epsom salt will help get things moving because it'll act as a natural laxative. As I said from the onset of this video, sulfate is going to act as a natural laxative and there's sulfate in it. And so drinking the Epsom salt benefits that. And this is an area that a lot of people really struggle with. Now, with all of these issues right here, we can either solve them or get great relief by utilizing Epsom salt. And as I mentioned from the beginning of the video, it's inexpensive and it's a great way to frugally heal your body. I'm Dr. Nick Zyrowski. Give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends who need this, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so yet. If you love this video, I'm sure you're going to love this one next.